Yo, what's up guys, it's underscore Daniel over here, and today we'll be showing you how to make a clean logo for your YouTube, Twitch or whatever social media you want to. So let's get into the video and let's make some clean ass logos guys. Alright, peace out. Also guys, I stream daily on Twitch if you want to check me out, link it down in the description. So yeah, peace out guys. Make sure to follow the video and do the steps correctly. Alright guys, so I just did 2 recordings and none of them actually recorded, so I'm just gonna go onto this. Yeah, it's recording, just to be 100% sure. Okay, so I was literally making a whole video how to make this. I was going step by step, so I'm guessing I'm gonna have to do this all over again. So yeah, so the first step what you would like to do is go on to Google, type in the font. And then once you go onto the font, you're going to want to go onto various. I'm not on this. Shit, I'm wrong. Oops, language. Sorry. You're gonna want to then type in whatever. Like in case my name is Daniel, you're gonna type in Daniel. Oh, I spelled it wrong. But I'm actually gonna type in UD as that is my initials from underscore Daniel. So then you're gonna go on to one of these and then find whichever design you like the most. Once you find a nice design, you are going to want to download it. So you have to press download. I've already downloaded this like 10 times because I made like 10 video recordings and I did it all wrong. So you're gonna go to Spiky and then you're gonna install it, and then I've already installed it, so I cannot. So I'm gonna click off it. Once you download it, you're going to want to go on to file. You're just gonna have like a blank page. By the way, this is Photoshop. Don't click off the video just because it's Photoshop. You can literally get it for free off YouTube. Just type in a free Photoshop on YouTube. You can get it for free, or you can make a 1-week trial, which will give you enough time to make a logo design or a banner for your YouTube channel or whatever. So once you go on a video and find a video how to get Photoshop, go back onto this video, and I'll show you how to do it. Also, you can make a design without this. These are some just cool effects that I added in case you would like to use them. So you're going to want to go onto file, you're going to want to go onto new, and then you're going to go onto custom. You're either going to make a black background like I am, or you're going to make a white one. So you're going to want to do 1.5k width, same with the height. Then make sure it's pixels, not inches, not anything else. Then the resolution 72, although you can make it 300, although I cannot see the difference in my eyes, so I don't think there is a point. Then they make the color black, just literally go onto this and make it fully black. And then OK, and then once you're done copying all of this, go on to create. So you're going to be putting this blank, so I'm going to be showing you how to literally get this size. Not size, just the whole logo. So you're going to go on to text and then type in UD. As you can see, I already have the font, but you're going to want to go onto this, and then type in spiking, and then something similar to this should pop up. Once you click this, you should get the same as me. So now we're gonna just drag onto this. As you can see, we're folding onto it, and then press Ctrl T, which is a shortcut from transforming an image. So we can make it bigger, we can make it smaller, we can make it like this. Not a sound. Oh my god, there's so many things we can do with it. And we're gonna make it. Let's make it a size we want. So, to be honest, I like it this size. Then if you want to make it into the middle, be 100% sure it's in the middle, go on to layer. Oh, we have to click onto layer. Go onto the layer. Go onto align layers to artboard, horizontal. Then we're going to go onto layer, align layer. Then we're going to go into vertical centers. So now we're 100% sure this is in the middle. So what we are going to want to do now, make sure your size is right, because if you literally just change the size afterwards, it'll sort of mess up your whole thing. So what we are going to want to do, press onto this, hold Alt on your keyboard, and then drag it down, which should make a copy. Then put the copy underneath the thing. Why? I don't know why it's not putting it underneath my thing. Let's try and make this put on top. Alright, now we sort of did it. Now we would like to go onto the copy and put an outer glow down. No, a drop shadow. I'm sorry. It's a drop shadow. Now we're going to make the drop shadow a red color. And see how weird this looks, guys. That is because we're going to press OK. It'll look weird for now. Then we're going to go onto our normal UD. double click it, and then we are going to go onto the stroke, press onto the stroke, and then we are going to make it, what size do you want the stroke to be? I feel like the stroke is quite nice, quite thick. Gaming things are always thick. That might sound a bit wrong, but I mean it'll be fine. So now we're going to go into the drop shadow, and let's check out our size. Then we can get something like this. Make sure to copy down my settings, or you can mess around with it yourself. It's really up to you. You can literally just mess about with every single image. There is really no difference. Let's back onto 90. Well, there is really no difference, but let's just do it anyway. So once you get this effect, you can obviously mess around with everything or anything, whatever you really want. You can actually make this bigger, you can make the spread bigger, like, oh that looks so good, but you can just do you guys, just be yourself, like choose whatever you think looks the best for you. Alright, so once you choose a nice logo, you can even make go onto the main thing and then make a gradient overlay. So we can make it from go on to -90. Come on, nice. So we can make it like this, or we can, once you go into this, go into basics, then go into this. We can make white, or I think a black into red would look quite nice. Then go on to like maybe this red. Ooh, I think that's a bit too dark. What about this red? To lighten it up a little bit, and then drag this the red. Yeah, I think that's a bit too dark for a logo design. Nah, I don't think it'll work out. What if we make the color white? And that looks quite nice, but it doesn't look as clean as you probably think it would. So yeah, you can keep this. It actually looks quite nice. But if I was you guys, I would just not mess with the gradient overlays. I don't think it really looks. I don't think it even looks that nice. Alright. But actually, I'll just keep it for you guys. So now press OK. So once you get this sort of design, which looks quite nice, you could already use it. If you want to add those effects, you obviously can. So you're gonna want to go onto YouTube. Yep, go onto YouTube. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, obviously. Like and subscribe, please. It really means a lot to me. Go on to Amplify GFX pack. Yep, click onto this, and then the link will be down in the not in my description. Go onto these guys and then just download it off here, and then you're literally gonna get it. So once you download it, you're gonna want to go on to Photoshop. You're gonna go into File and then open the file this thing is at, wherever you saved it. Once you save it, we're gonna want to go onto the patterns over here. Then we're gonna go on to just open up the patterns, and then we're gonna choose this one because I think this looks quite nice. So I'm gonna go on to where is it? It's duplicate layer. Then make sure you put onto your own. Wait, we're doing it in titled 5, right? Yeah. Okay, so it should be here now. So we are going to make sure you press onto those dots, then Control T so you transform it, and then make sure you go like this. Yeah, like this. And then we are going to want to mess around with this thing over here. Oh no, this is the wrong one. This is the one that we're actually doing. Okay, crap. So we're gonna go onto this, and then duplicate layer onto Untitled 6. I'm so dumb, guys. I'm so sorry. So we should have it here now. Make sure to click onto one of those dots. It will be quite hard, but we can do it. Oh crap! I need to highlight only this. Alright, Control T. Put it upside down. I feel like that looks way better. Or you can do it like this. I'm just gonna do it like this for you guys. I'm pretty sure this is not fully like proper, but we can try. So now we're gonna create a right click it, and then we're gonna create a clipping mask. Oh crap! Where is it gone? Oh no! Oh no, boys! Oh no! I just messed up the whole thing, guys. Oh no! Why is there a clipping mask? Wait, what? Well guys, just ignore this, ignore all of this. I just messed up my whole design by an accident. I'm so sorry, guys. So once you're on this, you're going to want to Like literally on this, like if you go onto this one over here, delete this, all you have to do is go on to create a clipping mask, but on this one, when I create a clipping mask, it just messes up the whole thing, and I have no idea why it does that, but it just doesn't show up. But yeah guys, it's not showing up for me, but it'll definitely show up for you guys, so yeah, you're gonna get like an effect and then mess around with this. I actually have no idea why it is not showing up for me, but I got no clue. What is this? Why do I have a pattern overlay? Oh my god. So yeah guys, we can leave it as this, or you can mess around with this as well, which I have no idea why it is not showing up. It should literally show up. It's showing up on this one, but it's not showing up on the other one, so yeah. It's quite weird, and it's quite funny because there's no reason for that, I'm pretty sure. But yeah. Oh, maybe I messed up this or something. I have no idea really. I've got no clue. Alright guys. So once you do this, you should get like a nice little, like those dots. After those dots, you can go back onto this and then look for another layer. Like this one, I choose this one. Wait, no, I actually choose which one wasn't. Just look for a pattern you like and then do the same. Just duplicate it, put it onto Untitled 6, and then create a clipping mask, and then you'll get this. Wait, it might be because of the gradient overlay. Yep, it is, guys. I found out the solution. It's because of the gradient overlay. That's why the thing is not even showing. So once we go on to here, it's on top. Click onto this. We're gonna have to click onto one of those dots, and then make it like this, or make it from like this to this. It's really up to you. Now I'm just gonna do it because I found out a solution, which I am so smart. We are going to want to find a little hexagon. Like this hexagon could be fine. Then we're going to duplicate the layer, go on to Untitled 6, okay. And as you guys can see, I'm not the best at this sort of. Oh my god. Keep forgetting. We can do like this sort of thing, and then we can create a clipper mask. And then we've got this thing, which maybe looks nice, maybe does not look the best, but I'd still keep it anyway. The one that I have here is so much better. You can also choose a different one, but yeah, I'm just gonna leave it as this, and I'm just gonna turn this off because that looks quite bad. So yeah, so this is what you're gonna end up with. So yeah guys, thank you for everyone that was watching the whole video. Alright, peace out guys, hopefully the video actually saved. Alright, see you in the next time. Please follow me on Twitch and watch some of my recent videos, not videos, live streams, because I live stream every day. If you tune in one of my live streams and say you're from this video, I'd actually really appreciate it. I literally just got affiliate as well, so yeah, that would mean a lot to me. Alright, peace out guys.